Wait, ano yun? Hi everybody, alam may itlog, tsaka parang okay na ako doon. Wag mo na yan, kasi it's my first day. There's literally like a parata there, at nagugupit sila ng hair. Kakaloka. I was able to take a nap at least 2 hours. Girl, so my check-in is at 1 p.m. and it's still 11. I arrived in my hostel around 9. So it's gonna... I was able to take a nap for 2 hours, so perfect. I woke up and I'm so gutom na. So we're heading to find my first ever food here in India, Kolkata, West Bengal. Siyempre, biryani, girl. Mahal ng biryani sa Thailand. So, dito tayo kumain ng biryani. Let's go, let's do it. Let's find my first ever food here. Yung mga naliligo sa daan. Oh. Tatawid ako dito. Sabi ng mapa. Nakakaloka yung mga naliligo sa daan. Wait. Sumabay tayo sa mga tumatawid. Makitawid lang tayo. My God, nakakatakot. Bili! So, I'm so sorry about my voice. What to do? I don't have. Grabe yung usok. Wait nga, baka saan ako mapunta. Okay, tama naman. I really don't feel naninibago cause some part of Pakistan is like almost the same. So, ano lang. Yun lang. So, yun lang. Tsaka pwede ako dito kasi hindi ako maarte, remember? I look like maarte but I'm not maarte. Taray, oo, pak. Ay, taray. Mukhang mayaman tong part ng It looks like this neighborhood is the rich part. Mukhang nakakaluwag-luwag. Wait, I'm gonna have to walk pa. Hello. I'm good. Hoy, ang saya. It looks like we're gonna have a lot of local interactions here. Let's see. 2 hours pa lang yung sleep ko, so relax muna. Matutulog muna ako. 8 hours ko muna to para pag may chumika sa akin. I'm gonna sleep for 8 hours. So if anybody try to talk to me, I have the energy to give back the energy. Paano daw? O ayun, let's go. The dog was barking. I immediately reacted. Diba? Bigla akong hininto yung camera ko. I immediately stopped my camera because I was so scared. Hala, mukhang ito na yung biryani. Wait nga. Ay! Mukhang I arrived. Hala, saan na yung biryani? Nagugutom talaga ako. Ito na ba yan? Hello. Nakakatawa mo magtanong sa mga... I don't want to ask the taxi drivers. Sweets yan eh. Ah, ito. Ito na pala. You have biryani? Chicken biryani? Yeah. But I can eat here? Eat here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, they have chicken biryani. My God.
Chicken biryani, 120, 1 person.
Okay. But I can up?
Yeah.
Oh,
12.
12? Nagugutom na ako. They will open at 12 daw. Oh my God, I'm so hungry na. My God, the food.
Hey, कहाँ गया बुलाना बिरयानी देने बोलो
Hello.
15 minutes देरी है
15 minutes? Okay. Oh, 15 minutes daw. I will check more places pa. Pero mukhang okay na ako dyan. Ito pa pala. There's more places pa. Wala, roti. Mag-ikot pa tayo. Hi. Uy, grabe. Grabe din yung ubo ko, di ba? Shucks, grabe yung usok. Hindi ako makahinga sa usok. O, ayun na yun. Balik na tayo dito. 15 minutes na lang naman. Hello. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna wait here for 15 minutes. Because it looks like masarap. So, okay, we'll go back here. Royal Biryani. Kahit sa tabi-tabi ako kumain, I don't care. I'm gonna eat here. Wala laban, no? It looks like delicious. My God, let's do it.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. My God, that looks like mabigat. Oh, it's finally open. Let's go upstairs. Hello. Oh, upstairs daw ang seating. Ay, paano ako aakyat? Ay, nakakaloka. Hayaan mo na. Sana malinis yung laps. Hello. Ay, gusto ko dito may lighting. So, let's sit here. So, we're gonna sit here para may pa-background. Thank you! Oh, ayan yung menu. Ah. So, I'm getting the biryani. Uy, excited na ako. I'm so excited to eat biryani. It has been long time. I think I didn't eat any biryani in Thailand. First, it was so expensive. I tried it once, but it's not giving. So, I didn't bother to buy because I know I'm going here. I wanna make sure that, it's authentic, it's delicious. So, yes, how do you say it? Nagtiis ako ng 2 buwan sa Thailand not to eat biryani because again, I wanna do it somewhere it's authentic. Somewhere where it's authentic. Nakakaloka yung tubig. Straight from the gripo, binigay niya sa akin sa pitchel. The place is so dugyot, but I don't care. The food looks masarap. And I've watched a lot of videos, remember? And I kind of watch a lot of videos going here, so I kind of expected that the place is not gonna be so malinis. But that's okay. As long as the food is malinis, I'm okay. But other people cannot eat here, I know, because it's really, look, it's really dirty. I'll show you. O, see, imagine you're eating and this is what you're gonna see around you. You cannot do that. I know. Hala, ang sarap. Ang saya. Thank you. The egg is here, yeah? Do you have yogurt? Do you have yogurt? No. Okay, no worries. Fermi, salad, like, Rita, yun yun. Hi, this is gonna be my first ever food here in India, West Bengal, Kolkata. Okay, so again, to those who's new to my channel, by the way, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications button on. Tama ba? Basta hit the notifications on. And please share my channel to your friends. Let's go eat. Masarap, pero ang anghang. It's delicious, but it's spicy, everybody. Laban. Hoy, I am done. Look. Malay pa ka. I still have a lot of rice, so I just ordered extra chicken and then parcel. So I already have food for evening time. Ganun. Okay, I don't know if I want to have chai, but I'm really craving for one, but I'm just so scared that it might not be so malinis. My God, I'm so worried, but okay, I'm gonna try to find a place where I think it's gonna be okay. So, okay, let's do it. Next, Kemerut chai. You know, if ever like I'm somewhere in India, Pakistan, like this place, I kind of think that my life is like more easier, honestly. Maybe because like I am more familiar with the food. So, okay, let's buy. It's my favorite. That one, the orange one, it's my favorite. It's sweet. I'm cutting sugar off, but it's okay. Can I have this two pieces? 2 pieces, yeah.
You will have it or you will take it?
I'll take it.
You'll take it?
Yeah, I'll take it. This one, the orange one.
Wait a little.
Thank you. Wala, ma'am daw. Wala akong makeup nito, ha. Alam niya yan. Here. Dalagan naman. Diba? Gusto ko talaga yung mga naliligo sa daan. Nakakaloka. Ay, binaks pa. It's very... Wait, may sukle. Thank you. Hi everybody, I decided not to have chai anymore. Yes, because it's my first day. I don't want to have any stomach problem. So, let's go home. That's enough vlog for today. So, thank you for watching this vlog. My very first day, very first experience here in Kolkata, India. And I don't know where should I go. Wait. Dedma, wait, naliligaw ako, my God. Anyways. Parang pareho lang naman to. Kinagago lang ako nung daan ko. Ayoko dyan. Gusto ko sa PC. Tinatado ako nung ano ko. Gago. Pareho lang naman. Pinaliko-liko pa ako. Ay, nagre-record pala kung ano-ano sinasabi ko. Nag-aaway na naman kami ni Google Map. I'm fighting with Google Maps again. Ang dami na kasing pinapupuntahan sa akin. Ang daming liko-liko, nai-stress ako sa kanya. Yung bangs ko ayaw makisama for the last 2 days. May bangs is not cooperating for the last 2 days. So, let's go. Hello! So, let's go. For today's video, everybody come with me as I'm gonna go look for a SIM card. It's my second day here in India and I don't have SIM card yet. I need it so I can make galana by myself. So, ayun. I will show you like how will I spend my days here in India. So, let's go still in Kolkata, India. I look so pangit. I'm sick. I don't have bosses also. But it's okay. Let me show you the ano. Wow. Trophy ba to? Trophy nga. Ang laki, grabe. Oh, I forgot. I have to speak English. Really, if my friends from my international friends, if they don't watch this, really, I'm gonna be so mad at them because I'm doing my best to do my vlog, to speak in English, so they would be able to understand all my vlogs moving forward. So, ayon. And for those who's new to my channel and to those who's watching me, please subscribe. Don't just watch me. Subscribe and hit the notification. Yes, finally, I will start promoting my channel because the reason why I don't say this before, yung please subscribe and hit the notification on, because I really wanted that my first few thousand subscribers are the ones who really like me. I have to build like a strong follower foundation, something like that. Those few thousand followers, I want it to be really like organic. Yung they will just follow you because they like you, they love you, they wanna do it. And it's so maingay around, nalaloka ako. Yung I wanted to focus but I cannot, it's so loud. Nakakaloka yung busina. So let's just keep walking and follow the maps. I'm always fighting with Google Maps. Yes. Kasi lagi nga ako naliligaw. Oh, diba? It's so busy the road. Oh. I think I'm gonna sound so konyo because I'm speaking English and Tagalog at the same time. Because I'm not so good at English, so I cannot do straight English, honestly. So I'm gonna sound so konyo, even I'm not konyo. But okay, let's go. Hoy, may mga raven. My God. Raven nga. There's no kalapati here. It's raven. Ang social. The black one. My gosh. Hoy, I'm telling you, as early as now, this India trip will be like a real adventure, real challenge at all times, honestly, because I don't know, it's just so busy around. Everywhere you go, something is happening, something I've never seen. Not naman I've never seen, but something extreme, ganon. So, ayun, yun lang, chika ko lang. I have tigyawa to. I put medication na. Hoy everybody! Siguro naman from the moment na I uploaded this video, I already have 10,000 followers. So thank you very much for following me on YouTube. Advance thank you and thank you. Hoy, wait lang, surprisingly, wait, I'm gonna show you something. So, what's surprising here in Kolkata? It looks like European. It has European vibes. It just looks like it's madumi, but it's no. Ay, what is this? Maybe it's done na. So, ayan, there. If you look closely or like if you really observe, it's not just like an old building. It has this like ancient touch, something like that. Aside from the amoy of ihe, I don't like that. That's one thing that I don't like. Okay, let's go here. Sana hindi ako masagasaan, nakakaloka. Ano ba? Hoy, one thing. Sorry about the coughing. I have ubo. And I think the air pollution here is like making it worse for me. But it's okay. Let's keep moving. Ouch. I-focus muna sa daan because I don't look good right now. I'm literally have been sick for like 5 days. Cough, sinus, a little bit of, not fever I don't have fever. But just cough lang, allergic reaction to, most likely from the dust. Because my last hostel in Bangkok, it's kind of dusty but I like it because there's like a privacy. So I kind of stayed there. I don't know I know it's not malinis. Look, everywhere there's kalat. But I kind of love the place. I don't know. I just like it. Aside from the dogs, okay. Let's change the location because of the location. The path because the dogs. maybe they have rabies. We don't like that. Okay, doggies, be kind. Don't make the hall. So, ayun, let's keep moving. Diba? Really love the place minus the pollution, the air pollution. It's too much. Yes, the moment that I got here, I know that there's like, oh no, shukriya. So the moment that I got here, I know that, akala ko fog. Okay, on my first day, if you remember, if you watch my first vlog, I said that it's like a fog. But I think it's air pollution. Diba? Kakaloka. May mga gwapo dito. There's also handsome, but not much. Charis lang. Nakakatulele. Nakakatulele yung sound ng busina. It's annoying. Nakakabuisit. Nai-stress ako. But I think I'll get used to it after a few days. So, tara na, let's go. Dead ma lang. Kala mo hindi laking monumento, huwag kang umaarte. Sometimes I wanna be maarte, but I remember I grew up in Malabon City / monumento / Tondo. Hindi ka pwede mag-inarte, girl. May mga nagpapa-shoutout dyan sa akin. So, shoutout sa inyo. I don't have time to do it. So, dito na sa vlog. O, diba, Antaray? Let's do the shoutout officially in my vlog. Tropang OA, hello sa inyo. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for spending your time with me. The grammar is not grammaring. Nakakaloka. Waiters prayer. Let's stop the vlog. O, diba? They make laba. Just ano lang. Sa side lang ng streets. I have to make the wait. Again, I'm gonna have to ask someone to be with me. I'm scared. Wait lang, hindi ako makakatawid. Wait lang, natatakot ako tumawid. Hindi ko to kaya. I can cross this but not in this place. It's too much. Wait. I'm gonna make sure na when they start making tawid, I'm also gonna make tawid. Diba? Sakit sa tenga! Ano ba? Kaya yan na, tumawid na Kaya everybody, let's go. They're making tawid na. Let's also make tawid. We don't wanna die. No, we don't wanna die. You don't want that. Shut the usok! How can you make the wet, see? Oh my God. This is so extreme. If I survive India, I can survive everywhere. I know, for sure. Di bali nang mahablot yung mga gamit ko, wag lang masagasaan. Oo. Nakakaloka. Nai-stress ako. Paano ako babalik? Wait. I'm gonna call a friend to pick me up. Charis. Kaya ko. Ayoko na. Nai-stress ako. Di pa, pag may sakit ako, ang baba ng energy ko talaga. Sige, magsigawan kayo dyan. Puro kayo pagsisi. Ang dami nangyayari sa India. My God. I no longer know what's happening around, but let's keep moving. Are they fighting? Ay, mukhang nagkaalaman ako sino yung kabet. Charis lang. Ay, nag-aaway talaga. My God. Siguro sinasabi niya, ako ang tunay na asawa. Yung isa tahimik lang kasi alam niyang siya yung totoo. Ay, in real life ganyan. Hoy, admitted, in real life ganyan. Yung mga kabit, sila pa yung matapang. Nakakabuisit, di ba? Ikaw na ngayon na nila ng relasyon. Ikaw pa yung nagtatapang. Tarantado ka. Gago ka. Di ba? Mga kabit dyan, shout out sa inyo. Tigilan nyo na yan. Nga yung usok, mamamatay ako, promise. Oh, look at the place, di ba? I told you. Ay, everybody, if you go to Armenia, you're gonna see like a lot of buildings like this also. Oh, Airtel, that's the SIM card. We have to go there. I think I found the place. Oh, First ever task in India solved. I hope. I hope, ha. Let's go inside Airtel. Ay, Chay. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Anong oras na ba dito? Mag-aalas 4 na. I haven't eaten anything yet. But it's okay. Let's go here. We're inside. Let's go get a SIM card.
Please go the GC Avenue store. Actually, now that time we cannot provide any SIM card in the passport and visa right now.
Where is that store? Is it? No, I don't have data. That's a problem. You can connect me on Wi-Fi. Oh, okay. Is it far from here? Is it far from here?
Yes. The working distance is the 15 minutes and the metro distance is the 2 minutes and 3 minutes.
In metro?
In metro.
I don't know how to ride the metro yet. My gosh. Too much challenge. Hindi pa pala completed yung task. Why you can't give me SIM card now? Why not here?
Now it is not available.
What about tomorrow?
Sorry?
What about tomorrow? You're not sure? Please, if you can check for me. Hala. I think this is gonna be a full vlog na because they don't have what I need there. And they told me to ride the metro station, my God. For the vlogging, let's go, let's do it. I don't have any plans to ride metro, but let's go, let's do it. So, ayan, let's go inside their metro station. She told me na it's just gonna be like 2 minutes. No, not 2 minutes. 2 stations away from here. So, hala. Ang ganda ng jawline niya, nakakabwisit. So, nakaka-stress. Ano ba yan? Tara mo na, tara na. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Here you go. This is like what it looks inside their station. So yeah, this is my first ever train experience in India. Oh my God, second day, unang labas, literally, nag-train talaga ako because I have to find my SIM card. So, let's go, let's do it. Kaya to. Kakayanin. We're inside the metro station. So, ayun. Ay, di ba ang bilis? Oh. Tapos na. Okay. Hi everybody, so ayun, we were able to get a SIM card. We're now like heading back home. I'm gonna have dinner with one of my hostel mates. So, let's go, let's do it. I hope na may natutunan kayo on my first day off. No, I mean, on my first ever task here, like to get the SIM card. So, ayun, let's go. Juwi na tayo.